They have been lying to you your whole life. TV, movies, ads, even your friends and parents. But not because they meant harm, but because they grew up in the same cult. The cult of alcohol. They say it is normal. It's just one glass. You deserve to relax. All lies. This is not just a drink. This is socially accepted drug that kills your motivation and pulls you into a life you never choose. I know, this video will piss some people off and some of them will click away right now. This is how addiction works. I went through it. But I'm not making this video for everyone. I make it for you. If you are still want to own your life and not just drift through it. Let's make it clear from the beginning. There is no safe dose of alcohol. Even small amounts break your energy, your focus and your whole future. And this is not just my opinion. This is backed by the latest science. All the links you will find in the description. In this video I will show you 5 biggest reasons why alcohol is destroying your potential and how it traps you into the loop that is hard to break. And the first of them is that it kills your motivation. Let me break it down what alcohol really does straight from your brain. Every time you drink, your dopamine spikes. That's the reward chemical lights up your brain's pleasure system. But here is a catch. This is fake. This is not earned through progress, connection or growth. This is synthetic. According to neuroscience, after that artificial spike, your brain produces less dopamine than usual. This is why the next morning you feel flat, empty and uninspired, even if you slept 9 or 8 hours. Researchers call it hyperdopaminergic state. Your reward system literally crashes out after the alcohol wears off. So when the Monday rolls around, you're already behind. No motivation, no energy, just this myth that might be burnout or lack of discipline. But problem not inside you, the problem is inside the bottle. The more you drink, the less you feel the pleasure of the real achievement. Your brain starts relying on alcohol for dopamine. Over time, the things that once excited you don't. And the goals that used to light you up feel distant. Because your brain's motivation system has been outsourced to the bottle. Every chill night wires your brain to depend on that high. And it quietly steals your drive, night after night. Have you ever felt like that? Especially after a great party, like nothing can light you up anymore? Drop a comment if you have. The second one, it is trap you in a habit loop. Look, it always starts innocent. You feel stressed, work was rough, you are tired. So you open a beer and take a sip. And you feel relaxed. And your brain goes like, oh, this fixes it, it feels better. So the next time stress hits, it won't ask you what do you really need. It will scream, I need that drink again. And this is not a freedom, this is a loop. Stimulus, response, reward, repeat it again and again. Until you forgot there was ever another way to cope. You are not choosing it anymore. It is choosing you. And the worst part, it feels normal. This is just the way how I unwind. But this is not. This is quiet chain wrapped in a cold glass. And science confirmed this. A 2018 study in Nature Communication showed that chronic alcohol exposure doesn't just weaken your willpower. It is literally rewires your brain. It shifts your behavior control from the prefrontal cortex, where conscious decisions happen, to the dorsal lateral striatum, the autopilot zone where your habits run automatically. It means stress doesn't trigger choice. It fires a programmed reaction. It is harder and harder to make a pause even before you sip. So no, this is not about your mental failure or lack of willpower. It is your brain operating on the old code. But the good news, every loop can be broken. And the first step to break it is to push that like button to that video. The third one, it destroys your sleep. You think alcohol helps you chill before bed? It doesn't. Yes, it knocks you out faster, but it wrecks the quality of your sleep. You end up clearing REM, rapid eye movement, and deep sleep that your brain desperately needs. So, even if you are in bed 8 or 9 hours, you wake up tired, foggy and slow. And that sets you up to make bad choices all day long. Because tired people are easy to influence and manipulate. Here is what science says. A comprehensive review published in Alcoholism, Clinical and Experimental Research in 2014 confirmed alcohol shortens sleep onset latency. You fall asleep quickly, but it also disrupts the second half of your night, reducing REM sleep and fragmenting your restorative cycles. This means less emotional processing, less memory consolidation, and less clarity comes morning. So that one relaxing drink, it didn't just give you temporary relief, it robbed your brain of recovery. And that system around us lost it. Tired people are not million-dollar performance, they are just poor another drink. If this hits something inside you, drop free in the comment, I will send you my free course with tools to rebuild your energy, focus and drive with no fluff. If you are serious about getting your mind back, this might be your first step. Fourth, it increases anxiety and depression. You think that glass of wine helps you relax, but in reality, alcohol increases stress over time. It raises cortisol, your stress hormone, and throws off your brain's chemistry, so you feel more anxious, more irritable, and more exhausted. So the next morning you wake up not just more tired, but with heavier mind. You call it anxiety or low motivation, but this is not your mood disorder. This is the bottle silently stealing your balance. A 2017 study in the Lancet Psychiatry followed 400,000 adults across 20 countries. They found that even one drink per day significantly increases risk of anxiety and depression symptoms versus total abstinence. Just listen, I want you to really note it. Even small occasional drink can start raising your baseline anxiety and trap you in a cycle of needing a drink to feel normal. And then final, but the most important, it damages your brain. MRI scans don't lie. Alcohol erodes your brain gradually, but invisibly. It shrinks your gray matter, damages white matter, and blunts your ability to plan, learn, and remember. Did you feel it too? Harder to concentrate, you can't recall basic thing, but you convince it is just aging. But it's not. It is your drink. Science backs it. A large-scale study in Nature Communication in 2022 analyzes almost 30,000 adults and found linear negative association between alcohol intake and both global brain volume and regional gray matter. Even moderate drinking 1 or 2 times per day showed measurable reduction in brain mass. And that's not it. Meta-analysis confirmed consistent alcohol use leads to widespread cortical thinning, especially in prefrontal cortex, hippocampus, and limbic circuitry. These areas are responsible for impulse control, memory, and emotional regulation. The result? A brain that's slower, less flexible, less capable. Not because of your aging, but because every drink chipped away at your mental machinery. I am here not to judge. I just want to tell the truth I wish someone told me earlier. Every week I see smart, talented guys but stuck in second gear. Why? Because they drink just a little, but every single weekend. You're not weak, you have just been lied to and used to it. Now it is your time to move. Drop a comment and tell me what part hit you the most. I will read every single one. And if you are wondering what other addictions you have, watch this video next. It is deeper than you think. See you there.